Good morning, good morning. Welcome to another live trading session at Trade with the Pack. It is May 2nd. Jeez, new month already. Time flies. I know every month. Geez, man, it's going so fast. It's going so fast. But we're here to see if we can grab some money out of the market. So let's see what we can do. But first thing first, let me welcome the new people who's going to be joining us. We're getting back at it, like I said previously in couple stream. It's being like now at least I would say 2 3 weeks now back in a row, like every Tuesday. Before that, like I was like kind of on and off because I was like traveling pretty much all over the place. And yeah, so now I'm trying to be more constant on the stream to be every Tuesday morning around like 7:30 ish. Like this morning was a little late. In all honesty, I didn't sleep at all last night, so I had a hard time waking up. It is what it is. So let's see if we can grab some money out of the market this morning. If you're joining, please don't forget to smash that like button. If you didn't subscribe to the channel, make sure you subscribe. And let's jump into it. Let's jump into it, guys. All right. So let's go start with GJ. And first thing first, let me just check if sound is loud and clear. Yeah, yeah, seems to be on. Should be good. All right, we're good to go. All right, cool. So again, welcome, guys. As you come in, and make sure to smash that like button and let me know. Say hi in the chat. Love to see who's there and let me know where you're from. Let's see here. Just want to add something here very quickly. Disclaimer. There we go. Perfect. Excellent. All right, we're good to go now. Okay, so let's start with GJ. So you know the drill. So GJ, we're gonna look at swing and scalp. If you look, I took a nice little scalp here yesterday. It was beautiful, pretty simple. But we're gonna break it down on Thursday night. Forex stock over beer. So now let's see what we got. Let's start with the swing approach. So now if you look at the weekly time frame, all right. So if you look at the weekly time frame right now, this weekly candle, let me grab an arrow here. Cool. All right. So this weekly candle right now is right at this resistance. And if you look, man, I'm having a hard time. If you look at this here, where's my thingy here? There we go. Okay. So if you look at this big push here, no retracement. So I'm just saying, probability wise, there's a big chance we might close a bit over this just to create a new high. But there's also a big chance we reject. And the reason why was we were right at resistance. Plus, we've been pushing hard like since March, since week of March. So a full month here, like 5 weeks straight up without any pullback. So there's a big chance we're about to see a pullback here. But you know, this week we're only the second day in the week yet, so we kind of don't know. This candle actually broke previous high, so there's a big chance for this candle to continue to the upside. But I think that after that we should see a retracement. So we're gonna be very careful on the swing approach here. The swing approach, I like to, let's say, buy at a daily area of interest or weekly area of interest. But right now we're just at the top. So for me, just doesn't make sense right now. You know, for me to buy would be like something around here, you know, daily area of resistance, major QP 169, which is, yeah, and let's say this candle closed bearish here. If this candle today closed bearish, we can establish our fib, and that would also be in confluence with the daily golden zone. So that would be perfect, but this candle is not closed yet, so this fib is not valid yet. Um so yeah, so for the swing approach, that will be it. So I'm not expecting, that's why I actually placed an alert here at daily area of interest. So we'll see when this happens. 4 hour is bullish also. Yeah. So 4 hours bullish also at the moment. Let me delete this here. Perfect. So yeah, so right now for swing on GJ, not much. Okay, so now let's talk about the scalp. Okay, so daily is bullish, right? This candle actually broke previous high, respected previous low so far. So there's a chance we continue up here. There's a bigger chance for us to continue up since we broke the previous high. But if we broke previous low also, it's gonna be like indecision, right? And here on the 4 hour time frame, we're trending bullish also. Let's see here. Let's use our fib here on the 4 hour. So right now we're rejecting this safety net here. Okay, we're rejecting the safety net. So let's see where this 4 hour can close. 2 hours, 1 hour. All right. So 1 hour is bearish at the moment. Um, I was actually thinking of continuation here, but once we broke that low, I mean this is done. So we need the 1 hour or the 30 minute to go back bullish. Even for scalp. Even for scalp, because I mean maybe sells on the scalp. Let me see. Let me see. Um. You know what? If okay, yep, we got it here. Here's the scalp idea for you guys. And for me too, I might take it. So if we do break retest under here, we know we need that pullback on the high time frame, right? So we might come down here, but I want to break this because by breaking this low, so if you break this low here, 4 hour becomes bearish, okay? And we're gonna have a break retest to go to the downside. So that would be perfect. Yeah, so here's the idea for your scalp this morning on GJ. So you want the 1 hour is already bearish. So if you want to break retest under here, which is perfect, is going to be also previous support, previous resistance. So it's a good area, which is also, is it? No. Okay, perfect. You got to be very careful because that major QP is right here, 171. So we're going to be very, very careful. It would be nice to have a break retest and an engulfing candle closing under 171. That would be perfect. Yep. So I think that's the idea. So let's go see comments and questions. If we had some, Hugo, yo, what's up, Hugo? And we got George. Hello, what's up, buddy? Sorry, guys. All right, cool. So good morning, everyone, and welcome. All right, cool. So let's move on to NZD Cat. NZD Cat, baby. Let's see. So NZD CAD weekly is bullish. Okay, I know it looks bearish for some of you because you're looking at this and it looks bearish, right? But the reality is we are bullish because price was bearish here, right? And once we broke this, we became bullish. And anything in between is just market structure. So I'm thinking price is going to do something like this. Boom. All right. It's either that or it's going to start rejecting exactly where we at. Okay. So where are we at? Why? Because it's a weekly area of interest. And we got our second area right here. This is a major QP, 83,000. So yeah, so it's either here or there. Okay, so one or the other. So now let's take a look on a lower time frame if we got something possible. Because right now, weekly is bullish, so that's good. Check. Okay. Let's take a look at daily. Daily was bearish yesterday when I looked at it and I placed that. Oh, this is the alert that I got this morning. Is it during the night? Let me check my email. Okay, so I got an alert on GA, USD CAD, and Euro AUD. I didn't get an alert for NZD CAD. Why? What's that? Hold on, wait a second. Why? Did he go? Yeah, why? How the fuck did this didn't trigger this alert? So now I'm gonna remove it, but that's weird. Okay, so let's see here. So we got daily. you know, that was bearish. And boom, 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 and boom. So we got daily going bullish. Okay. So I need this daily to close above here. Okay. I need to close above this area. That would be good. That would be good. So 4 hours going bullish also. But my problem is that daily is not closed. Yeah. So I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait, but this looks very nice. So basically, daily is going to go bullish. 4 hours going bullish. And what you want is buying at a lower high to go up. Okay. Which also can be a retest of previous resistance. So yeah, so this looks very good, NZD CAD. So definitely gonna keep an eye. So that's why he's on top of my chart, because it's about to happen. Hopefully I don't miss it because of timing. Hopefully this pullback doesn't happen during London session or something like that. But if it's the case, it is what it is, right? So make sure you smash the like button, guys, as you come in. Like I said earlier, I'm trying to be more constant on the stream. I know I missed so many weeks because of traveling, but now we're trying to be more constant. But for this, I need to push the stream, and to push the stream, I need your help. We need to bring back the hundreds of people we had on live session in the past. And yeah, so for that, you guys need to smash that like button. I'm getting excited this morning. Okay, let's go check if we have comments or questions. Would you have taken the buy on GU 7 hours ago on the 30-minute engulfing weekly daily for we're bullish? All right, we're gonna go take a look at it. GU. GU's in my list actually. It's right here. So let's do GU. So this is my plan for GU. But let's see here. So let's see. Weekly is bullish, right? Perfect. We got the daily bullish. This is perfect. We got the 4 hour bearish now, right? But 7 hours ago, so yeah, okay, we're gonna go take a look at it. In here, if you look, you got the infamous, we got the infamous shampoo pattern, you know, oops, somewhere like that. All right. So we got the infamous shampoo pattern, but who cares? Because we needed that pullback inside that daily golden zone. Okay, so now the 4 hours bearish. So now basically we just need the 4 hour to go bullish at this stage. Now let's go take a look 7 hours ago. Okay, so 7 hours ago on the 30 minutes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So somewhere around here. It's always easier when you guys send a chart, but let's try to find out. Oh, here? Oh, no, 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 no. No, I know it's an engulfing candle, but your 30-minute is bearish, your 1 hour is bearish, your 2 hour is bearish, and your 4 hour is bearish. So that's why I would never buy here. For me, for buy, I need price to go bullish on a 4 hour. So basically, the 4 hour needs to do something like this. So let's say we do this, this. Let's say we do this. I need to do this, 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 and this, right? So I'm gonna buy here on a lower time frame, on a 30-minute or 1 hour, right? So actually, no, this is not true. This is not accurate. Something like this. There we go. Sorry. Because if it was here, now my high is over here and I need to break to go bullish. Do you guys understand that? But if I created a new low, this is the high I need to break to go bullish. Okay. So in this case, I will be buying here. All right. Hopefully that makes sense for you guys. If you have more questions, let me know. Trying to put this as simple as I can. Let's see here. Do you have any question? Miguel Duke, show MT5 to know you're legit. No, I'm not legit. I'm a scammer, dude. I'm a scammer. Show me your mom. Why the fuck I don't show you my MT5, dude? The fuck, get out of here. Um, been trading live for 3 years, dude. Go check the previous stream. And you can see all my results on my Instagram. So, here. All right, so let's go here. I'm the biggest scammer, bro. In the industry, I'm probably the worst. I'm probably the worst. I'm probably the less transparent. Yeah, I don't like. I'm a scammer. Okay, so USD CAD. All right, so let's go to the weekly. All right, buddy, let's go. Oh shit! Hold on, wait a second. You go. My question was about GU, but you say ADHD, bro. ADHD kicked in. You know the drill. Yeah, we're gonna look at that GU. Sorry, bro. Fuck. Sorry, bro. You see, I'm a scammer, man. Okay, let's go on GU, bro. So anyway, so we would have done GA and GU anyway. So let's do it. All right, so the weekly is bullish. All right, so weekly is bullish. Daily is also bullish. So we're good. Let's see here. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. We are right inside that golden zone right here. Let's put this. Boom. Excellent. All right, cool. So 4-hour is also bullish. 4-hour is bullish. Yes. 4 hours bullish. Perfect. 2 hours is bullish. Great. 1 hour is still bullish. We're good. So 7 hours ago. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So somewhere around here. Okay, perfect. So first thing first, I want to see something on the 4-hour. All right, so 4-hour, boom. We got a retest here. Okay, cool, perfect. Yep. 2 hours, also bullish. 1 hour, also bullish. 30 minute. 30 minute was already bullish because we didn't broke that low. Oh fuck yeah, no, we broke it here. Okay, so we're good. So we're already bullish. You know what? I would buy here or here. One of those two places, I would buy here. But this is not a bad buy also, in all honesty. Like, let me check something. Yeah, it's definitely not a bad buy. It just didn't play out on this stage, on this area. It's not a bad buy. It just didn't play out. The only thing I would, yeah, the only thing though, you want to make sure like this fucking major QP right here can be painful. Right here. Right here. This major QP, you got to be very, very careful. Because you had this kind of double topish, you know. I don't know. But no, it's not bad. It's not bad, bro. It's not bad. I think I would have probably taken it too. In all honesty. I'm being super honest. But you don't know because I don't show my MT5, bro. Yo, anyways, I cannot show my MT5. I only have MT4. Yeah. So yeah, no, not bad, bro. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad at all. It just didn't play out because everything else was there. So yeah. So now at this stage, if you want to give that trade a second chance, so now let's go over it. Let me go to the 4 hour. So now, let me go check. I think you wrote something. Um, boom, boom, boom. Yep, you're right. I didn't look back so much on 30 minute. So didn't know it was always bullish. Yeah, it was always bullish. Yeah, that's why it gets confusing sometimes. If it can help you, mark your lines. I'll show you. Yep, the only thing I was worried about was the big red candle yesterday on the daily. Yeah, that's something. I didn't go back on the daily yet. Let's go check it out. Oh fuck yeah, yeah, yeah. Especially this one, closing engulfing. Yeah, you can expect a continuation on this daily candle. Not for sure, but there's probability are that you're gonna have continuation on this next candle, right? If this next candle show like rejection, like a doji or small body candle, now at this stage you're like, all right, we might have this pullback inside the day golden zone because that daily just dipped down inside here, right? So you're right. So you're right that this is a sign of be careful, right? Be very careful. But you know what? It is what it is. You gotta try some stuff right sometimes. Um, what I wanted to say now. Okay, cool. So now what you want, and also the other thing also is you want to see rejection on the 4 hour. That's a big thing, because right now, yes, we are bullish. Okay, we are bullish, and we got the pullback. And here it was like all small body candle just ranging. It would be nice to have like a bigger candle here and engulfing or something. Say, all right, cool, perfect. We got something, right? We got something. We don't have rejection here. So that's another clue that we don't have a clear sign of rejection here. So in this stage now, I want to see probably like an engulfing candle 4 hour or price trying to pull back. 2 hour, yeah. For me to buy, I first the 30 minute and the 1 hour needs to go. Did it broke? We didn't broke that low yet, but 30 minute did. 30 minute did. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, 30 minute did. Because here we got this pullback here. So we broke that low. Yes, correct. Perfect. So now I need the 30 minute to go bullish. So for me, or if I was you to give that trade a second chance, I need price to go above here, come down, retest here, form support, and push up. I'm actually going to place an alert here. 30 minute going bullish. Let's go. All right, cool. Perfect. Did we do USD CAD? No, I can't remember. No, I don't think so. So hopefully that was good, Hugo. Hopefully that makes sense. All right, so let's go. Let's jump on the weekly now. USD CAD. USD CAD. Perfect. Let me remove some arrow here. It's going to be less confusing. Let me remove this. Perfect. Okay. Yes, thanks. Perfect. You're welcome, bud. All right, so cool. So we're looking at the USD CAD. This is the weekly time frame. We are bullish. All right, so we are bullish on the weekly. I'm not counting this as an elbow. So here for, hold on, wait a second. Wait a second. I started with the daily. So weekly is bullish. Perfect. Excellent. Daily is bullish now. So we finally broke the daily. Resistance here. Do we have an area? Yeah, we got support, support. All right, cool. Yeah, it's a pretty good area here. Excellent. So let's name this. We got our daily area of interest. Perfect. We are right at it, which is I think that's the 382 on the fib, if I'm not wrong. Is it? Yeah, correct. Right at 382, which is also a rejection area. Um, 4 hour, 4 hour now is bearish. Um, Hold on. What was the alert I said I got? Why is my alert not working? Clarity. That's so weird. I didn't get USD cat and they tapped it. Anyways, okay, so we got we got H4 here that was bullish at this moment and now became bearish. We are bearish, bearish, still bearish, and now we are still bearish at the moment because this candle didn't close. But the moment that we close above, we are bullish. And what we'll be waiting is the pullback to continue up, right? So we need to wait. So that's going to close in an hour. So this is coming. This is coming if it closes above. So definitely going to keep an eye on. And after that, we're going to go see the pullback on the lower time frame and wait for the switch of structure on 30 minute or 1 hour to continue to the upside. Yeah. Because right now 30 minute is bullish, but 30 minute will go bearish. You know, will go bearish to or 1 hour is going to go bearish to have that pullback. Or we might stay bullish because hold on, wait a second. Boom, 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 boom. We might stay bullish and have the pullback. All right, cool. So NZDGPY, NZDGPY. Did we talk about that one? I don't know. I don't think so. All right, so I'm kind of fucked because I changed my. That's G and G that we did. Okay, perfect. Go check comments here. When you enter up to 30 minute, you often put your SL at 30-minute swing. All right. Uh, you often put your SL at 30-minute swing. Oh, you mean under support? Um, yes, I'm gonna place it under support, like probably like 5 pips under around that. Um, yeah, 30-minute structure. Yeah, yeah. It's either under the 30 minute or 1 hour. It's either one of the two that's gonna make the most sense. That if it breaks, that means we're going in the opposite side. That means I was really wrong, right? So I want to get, if I get stopped, it's because I was really wrong in my analysis. Dude, that's is a hard word for Frenchie. Okay. So, uh, okay, perfect. Sorry, guys. I was in the limb right now. Okay, so weekly. All right, so weekly is now. Let's see. Weekly is now. What we got here? Boom. So weekly is bearish. Still bearish. No, here we're bullish. Bullish. Boom. Bearish. And same thing here. We don't know yet. So we need this weekly candle to close above here. So we need this weekly candle to go to close here. So we became bullish on the weekly. Daily is bullish. 4 hour is bullish. So yeah, we just need that weekly to close bullish. In the meantime, though, sometimes what I do is when the date and the 4 hour are bullish, sometimes I'll go with the intraday. But anyways, in this case, it's not valid because I need the pullback, right? So I need to buy I need to buy at a 4 hour higher low. I don't want to buy at the top, right? It doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense to buy at the top, right? So now we're just pushing straight up. So I need to pull back, but this is gonna play out in the next couple of days probably. So I'm gonna keep an eye on it. I'm gonna definitely keep an eye on it. Um, yeah, I mean, like even the 1 hour right now needs a pullback, right? So let's say you want to trade based out of the 1 hour, the 30 minute. I mean, even there, you need the pullback here. I mean, the same kind of strategy. I mean, explaining you guys on a higher time frame. You can do the same thing on a 4 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour, and enter on a 30 minute, or you know, based on the 30 minute and enter on a 15. It all depends, but it's the same kind of idea. All right, so cool. So it makes sense for this. Let's go to AU. AU, I got an alert this morning during the night. AU. Oh fuck! I just received a nice discount for a cruise. Hmm. Okay. AU. Oh, USD CAD. Add the alert. Let's go back to USD CAD. Yeah, I have the alert on USD CAD. I said it didn't trigger, but I did. Okay. So USD CAD. I did the alert. It was saying H4 going bullish. Yeah, that was this one. Yeah, it tapped it. Yeah, exactly. But now we need this 4 hour to close bullish in an hour. That's what we said. All right. So now EU. EU, I got the alert saying H4 entering GZ. All right, so here, and we just destroyed GZ now. So let's see, are we at the safety net? We are right at the safety net right here. So we're right at the safety net. So this is our last area where we might see rejection. What prop firm are you using right now, bro? I don't use any prop firm. I have the luxury to have my capital and pretty good capital. So yeah, so I don't trade prop firm. I'm not saying it's not good. It's just like at one point I was, and the reason why is that I needed my liquidity to invest it in two businesses. Um, And right now I'm looking to buy two houses in Mexico. So probably gonna use that capital for that and probably go back on prop firm for a little while until I get my cash flow back. But we'll see. We'll see. I don't know yet. Where was I? Okay. So yeah. So H4, we are at the last area where I can take that buy. But let's go back on the daily and weekly for 1 second. Let's go back to the daily. This is our daily area of interest. This is our second structure that was broken. So yeah, so it's clearly somewhere around here. We need to see 4 hour is, yeah, I'm not gonna count that as an elbow at all. 4 hour is still bullish. 2 hour is gonna be more clean, I think. Yeah, here we have an elbow. So, and here, so the 2 hour is bearish. So I would love to see the 2 hour to go bullish. 1 hour is bearish. So I need the 1 hour 30 minute to go bullish now. So definitely going to keep an eye on EU. EU is going to be interesting also. By the way, guys, welcome for people who's joining. We're back at it. We're starting back the stream. I've been traveling a lot lately, so I missed a lot of weeks. I'm trying to be more constant now, so make sure you smash the like button so people know that we are back at it. Uh, yeah, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you didn't. So all right, so AU looks interesting, so that's why it's still standby here in blue. GA, we did it. GU, we did it. Let's talk about USD GPY. Let's go to weekly. All right. So if you look at the weekly, weekly is bullish. Actually, hold on. Wait a second. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, okay. So weekly is bullish. Let's go on the daily. Daily is bullish also. So daily is bullish anyways here. Perfect, excellent. So now I want to see a pullback. So whoop. So that was yesterday. You can tell. So we need to see the pullback here. I want to see the retest of previous structure, or well, we don't have a bearish candle here, so I cannot put my fib here. But I definitely want to see something. So that's why this is in orange, because it's not close to be ready. The 4 hour needs to go down to have this pullback. Let's this here, and yeah, you know the drill. So this is another trade idea, probably for maybe next week. Because I mean, if you look at this, 1 2 days to the upside, so maybe another two, maybe by the end of the week, maybe by the end of the week or starting at next week, we might have something interesting. So we'll see, we'll see. I like to buy at daily area of interest or golden zone, so we'll see. We shall see. Okay. So any question about that? Let me know, guys. Let me know. Let me know. All right, so let's go on AU. Did I have a left on AU? What was the other one? Oh, that's GA. GA was saying daily area of interest plus daily golden zone. I want to see something very quickly before we jump in GA. I said, yeah, okay, that was it. Yeah. Daily area of interest. Yeah. Why the alert doesn't disappear though? That's weird. Let's remove it. Yeah, we are inside that golden zone. Yeah, we need to. Yeah, we talked about that one. Okay, cool. So AU. Let's go to weekly. So weekly time frame. Weekly time frame is bearish. All right, so we got a weekly time frame bearish. Let's go take a look at the daily. Daily is now. Doom 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 doom. Data is bearish at the moment, but if this candle close above, we're going to be bullish. But this change everything. I need to remove those lines. Hold on, wait a second. Wait a second. No. We're still bearish. You see, this is why I put those lines, because sometimes it gets confusing. Oh yeah, that's the thing I wanted to explain to you guys, how to place those lines. You just place those lines at the high and at the low once the lower low is formed, and until you break this, you don't have a lower low and you don't have your lower high. You know, so until you break this, you're not bullish. Until you break this, you don't have your lower low. So you see, in between is just market structure. So you see, I almost got confused. If those line wasn't there, I would be confused here. I said, all right, cool, we're breaking this high, so now we're breaking bullish. But hold on, wait a second. No, that's not the case. This is just market structure. So those lines help a lot. Or if you want to draw, the arrow, whatever. I'm personally very visual, so I like to have something, yeah. Anyways, okay. So now let's go back to it. So looking at the weekly, weekly is bearish, as we said. The daily is still bearish at the moment. But yeah, this is pretty big daily candle. The 4 hour though, the 4 hour is bullish. Okay, so the 4 hour is bullish. This was our low. We broke here. Boom, boom. So the 4 hour is definitely bullish. So we would need the 4 hour to go bearish to take this down. But if this continue up, this trade idea is going to be invalid, because if we break this structure, now we're going bullish on the daily. So this is why it's in the orange, because it's not even close to be ready. This was for last week. USD GPY. We talked about that one. AU, NZD, USD. Let me remove this so it's more clean. This was a paper trade, because I was already in a trade that had 2% at risk that turned out to be very fucking good. But this was a trade idea we discussed on the stream, so I can actually remove that. Okay, cool. So now let's go take a look on the weekly on NZD USD. Weekly is bearish. All right, so weekly is bearish. Daily is bearish. Boom, boom, boom. Daily is bearish. Hold on, wait a second. If you want to count that elbow, yeah, daily is bullish now. Wait a second. Weekly. Just want to make sure. Here, we broke under. Yeah, here we're still bearish. We need to break this. We need to break this. Okay, perfect. So we're still bearish on the weekly. Daily is bullish. Four hours bullish. So we need the weekly to go. So that's why it's also in orange, because it's not close to be ready, but it's on the way. Perfect. Let's go see if we have this. This is the pair that that I'm looking for, but let's see if we have anything else that's about to show up. Let's go back on GG for 1 second to see what's happening on the scalp side. Let's see. All right, scalp wise, there's two things. If we reject this golden zone here on a H4, so there's two possibility on GG for scalp right now. So first, rejection of this golden zone, a 4-hour time frame. If you look here on a 1 hour, ooh, you got a nice engulfing candle, but at this stage, a 1 hour is bearish, right? So you need the 1 hour and the 30 minute to go bullish again. So the 30 minute right now is bearish, but let's see if we can form something else that go bullish on the 30 minute. The other thing I'm going to be looking at is the 4-hour. The 4-hour time frame, depending on how it closed, once we'll be breaking the low or the high. This is the dogtail setup we can execute on. Something has been working very well for me, so that's the other possibility. But the other thing is, if we do, like we explained earlier on the stream, if we do break under this area and have a retest, we have the pullback. We have the full pullback. The full pullback of the daily time frame. Look at this. Man, it's super clean traffic here. We know that we need to go down here to continue up. So might be able to grab a scalp while doing this, right? So the 30 minute, let's go take a look at the 15. 15 right now. Boom, boom, boom. 15 went bullish. So 15 went bullish. This looks actually pretty good on the 15, to be honest. But it was like right here. So we shall see. All right, let's go back. Let's go back on GBBCHF. Weekly, baby. Boom, 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 boom. Weekly is still bearish. Why? Because those lines are here and here, right? So anything in between is just market structure. All right, so we're still bearish. So if you look on the daily is bullish now. All right, so daily is bullish. So so this is not good. This is why I didn't mark those down. Euro USD. Let's see if anything changed since I looked at. So the weekly is bullish. Hold on, wait a second. Yeah, the weekly is bullish. Awesome. So we need to pull back here. We need like this. Uh, it's not a weekly area of interest, but it's going to be like the previous structure broken that can be retested. Um, so let's see here. The daily, boom. The daily is still bullish at the moment. 4 hours bearish. So nothing interesting here. Um, Euro GBP. Euro GBP. When was that? Oh yeah. That's the trade that I had two position on. It was beautiful. Actually ending up closing at 321. Let's remove all this so it's more clean. Let's remove this. Perfect. Let's start from scratch. Let's remove this. Remove this. Perfect. Let's remove this. All right, cool. Perfect. So this is your GBP. So weekly is bullish. Cool. So weekly is bullish. Daily is daily is bearish. So we got this. We got this. And anything between is just market structure, right? So we are bearish still. All right. So hold on. Did we say weekly? Weekly was bullish here. Did we close under? We closed right at it. So the weekly is still bullish and the day is bearish. So this is a no-go. So you see how I don't fucking like complicate stuff. If those two time frame doesn't go together most of the time, I'm just gonna move on, right? But if it looks super clean, I might say, hey, wait, let's wait for this time frame to switch. But this like look at this thing. It's just like it's not looking nice at all, right? It's just like look at this shit. So yeah, let's talk about gold, man. Let's talk about gold, baby. Let's talk about you and clearly I can sing. Hey guys, as you come in, don't forget to smash the like button. Like I said before, I'm trying to be more constant on the stream. Been away a lot for travels, but trying to be back at it now. Okay, so now let's take a look at the weekly. The weekly is bullish. All right, cool. Weekly is bullish. Hmm. Weekly is bullish, definitely. We got the retest of previous structure. Man, the 2000 area is a solid area. I remember in the past, like, look at this. Every time we tap that 2000, oh, fuck, man. Okay, look at something. This is the history of gold, okay? Since, like, fuck, this is since, uh, when was that? 1927 or 1975. Okay, so since 1975, look at this. This is the only like what third time the weekly candle touch the 2000 area. Okay, let's place a line here. Just let's look at something. Okay, so it's not super precise, but doesn't matter. Okay, um, like look at this. 1, 2, 3 times. I mean, like a couple weeks. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but whatever. Three major time in history that we tapped that level. And what happened once we tapped that level? Like every time. And we're looking at, let's put it on a monthly. Okay. So look at this. On the monthly, it's even more clean. Okay. So if you look at the monthly, there's 3 times in the history of gold that we tapped the 2000 area. What happened the 3 times that this shit happened? Bam. Bam. So, what is the odds of this doing the same thing? The odds are pretty good. But with the economy that we have right now, I mean, I don't know, man. Any shit can happen. But so far, we never in history of gold had a monthly candle closing above 2000. Do you guys realize that? You know, this never, I'm not saying it's not going to happen because let me tell you, with the condition in the economy that we have right now these days, any fucking thing can happen. But, so far, it never happened. Am I saying it's not going to happen? Not saying that. But the odds are pretty good for rejection of this area. Once again, never had a weekly candle that did a monthly candle that did close above. So, um, but yeah, Hugo is right. Hugo is totally right, and that's what I'm saying. That's true. But since gold is bullish long term, we probably break it sometimes. Absolutely, that's what I'm saying. But right now, before we do this, does it make sense that where's my arrow? Here. Does it make sense that after like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months on the bullish run, that we might see a pullback before going above? I would say the odds are pretty good. I'm not saying we're never going to go above, but and there's a saying that the more tap on a level, weaker it gets, right? So, anyways, so now let's go back to what we can do with this. So the weekly is bullish. Let me see here. I think we got some comments here. Did I skip some question here? Hey, Ferb here. David, what's up, Ferb? So I wanted to know if this chats can apply to crypto trading also. Yeah, totally. When I do on Twitter, when I do my Solana update, it's based on the same kind of analysis. So I can show you on Solana and XRP in just a couple of minutes, or BTC if you want. I don't mind. It's the same idea. A chart is a chart. Price action is a price action. The execution is going to be different on crypto, though. The execution is going to be different, but the analysis is the same. You know, um, or really similar. So now, all right, let's go back to gold. All right, so weekly is bullish, like we said. Daily is fucking ranging. Look at this shit. Like we tapped the $2,000 area, and look what happened now. So price don't know where to fucking go now. I was like, fuck, man, dude, we tapped 2,000. What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? Oh shit. Are we going down? Are we going up? And NFP's happening fucking Friday. So we shall see. I personally will not buy at 2,000. That is for sure. I would not buy here. Just like we are at the fucking top, guys. We are at the top. So does it make sense to buy here? Nah, not really. Not saying buy you cannot make money. Just like holding buys at the $2,000 area, very very sketchy. Look at this 4-hour time frame range. So yeah, we need to get out of that range for anything, even scalp. It's like fuck it. Look at this. Well, on the 1 hour, on the 30-minute, look at this. We got out of that range here. So this, if you want to have a quick scalp here, that would be my thing. I would be all right, cool, perfect. So we got out of that range on the 30-minute. We're getting inside that golden zone, which is also in confluence with previous resistance that was broken. We flip bullish. All right, cool. So I can wait for 15-minute or 30-minute engulfing candle, go grab like a quick 20 pips, yeah, that is doable. That buy there is doable, but I'm talking about like swing buy there. Fuck no. Fuck no. Fuck no. Fuck no. Not at a 2,000. And good for you if you're doing and it goes and you want to try to be the hero. That's great. That's great. You can do whatever you guys want. This is just my personal opinion. But yeah. So hopefully that makes sense for you guys. But yeah, I would like to see the weekly, like this is okay. So now let me show you what I want to see. Like what I would like to see and what I would be happy to see is one of those two things. Okay. So either this, that goes like this, and we break that point, we come retest here, and now, man, we can take it down, for the pullback to eventually go back up. But this can be like, look at this clean traffic, dude. This is beautiful. So we got a lot of place. Look at this daily, man. Once we end up breaking this area here, we're gone. We're gone downtown. Um, so yeah, that's number one. Number two, this can happen also. So this can, whatever, something like this, whatever. So because this might continue down, whatever, and something like this. Obviously, I prefer when the line is, pointing to the downside, but whatever. Um, well, one of those two things. I don't trade based on that, by the way. It's just like an added thing. Yeah, hopefully that makes sense for gold. Any question? Okay. AUDGPY. What time is it? Fuck. 8:30. Whoa, dude. Dude, we've been breaking down a lot of chart right now. Shit. Okay, okay. All right, so AUDGPY weekly is bearish. Okay, so once again, you can place your line here. You can place your line here. Oops. Boom. So we are still bearish, but if this candle close above here, we're gonna be what? We're gonna be bullish. So this is why right now this is not marked down, because this doesn't make sense. We broke the weekly golden zone. We broke the safety net. So if you look here, safety net is here. We broke it. So I don't know. This is looking like shit. Euro NZD. All right, weekly is bullish. I marked down this pullback like 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks ago. Okay, so 4 weeks ago, this is where I marked this down. I said, all right, let's break and retest. But now we're above here, and this is something I want to see. You know, so retesting previous. This is a area of interest. Okay, so we got resistance here, support, resistance, boom, resistance again, resistance again, resistance again here. So this is a pretty this is a pretty good area of interest right here. So let's mark this down. It's gonna be marked down for next time. Weekly area of interest, perfect, cool. Now let's go take a look at our fib. So the weekly golden zone is gonna be right here. Um, boom, 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 boom. All right, this is our 382. So this is around the same area of rejection, which is pretty good. Pretty good, pretty good. Let's take a look at daily. Daily is bullish. So daily is bullish. So here we got a pullback. Here we don't have a pullback. So here from there to there. Cool. So we're right at the safety net here on the daily. Okay, cool. Daily area of interest. Same area. Here, 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 here. Yeah. This is a daily and weekly area of interest, which is good. Which is also a major QP right here. All done. Let's mark this down. Let's mark it down. Let's mark it down. Let's mark it down. Let's put major QP here. Oops. Oh, yeah, that worked. Cool. So Euro NZD is looking decent. I'm actually gonna put it up here, but it's not. It's not ready. It's not ready. All right. So ADGPY. I think we did it. Did we? Yeah, we did. CAD GPY. CAD GPY. CAD GPY. Don't forget to smash the like button as you come in, guys. All right, so let's take a look at the weekly. The weekly is what the Daily going bearish. Oh, okay, 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 okay. I guess. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, this isn't valid now. Okay, let's remove this. Perfect. All right, so the weekly now is bullish because we did close above here. So weekly is now bullish. Daily is bullish. Oh, we might have something here coming up. This looks clean. All right, so daily is bullish. All right, let's go back to the weekly for 1 sec. So this is a pretty solid area of interest. And if you go into daily, it's going to be pretty much the same area also, pretty solid, which is also around a major QP. Yo. Okay. Perfect. Okay, so this actually looks good. Well, this actually looks good. The daily is good. So weekly daily is bullish. So what you want now is you want this. Let's go take a look at the 4 hour. So 4 hour is 4 hour is bullish. 4 hour is bullish. Hold on, wait a second. Yeah, 4 hour is bullish. What am I saying? No, now we're bearish. Okay, cool. So 4 hour is now bearish. So of course, you know, 4 hour is going to need to go bearish to have the daily pullback. So that's okay. So that's perfect. This actually looks pretty decent also. This actually looks better than some of the other ones. I'm actually going to put it orange in process. In a process. Yeah. So definitely want to see something. So I'm going to place an alert here. Um, an alert. I'm going to say cat GPY at weekly slash daily area of interest. Cool. Perfect. Excellent. You see, easy. Easy peasy. Euro GPY. We talked about Euro GPY. Did we? Did we talk about Euro GPY? No, I guess not. I got nothing on the chart. So weekly is bullish, clearly. God damn it. Oh yeah, you see I placed this alert here. Why didn't wrote? I hate when I do this. Okay. So let's do it from scratch. So here is nice area of interest right here. Weekly area of interest. Perfect. The daily is bullish. Daily is bullish. All right, cool. So one of the two things here, yeah, right here. Boom, 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 boom. So either this is previous structure. So it's either going to be retest previous structure or it's going to come down to retest weekly area of interest. So I'm going to keep an eye on both. Retesting previous structure. Four hours bullish. So yeah, okay. Actually, it's not. It's less clean than the other one. GPP NZD 80 GPY. We did it. All right, GPP NZD. Weekly. Shit. Weekly is straight bullish. Now we're starting to have this pullback. Okay. Let's take a look at the daily. Daily is bullish. Actually, daily, we don't know. It's bullish now, but if this candle close under here, daily is going to be bearish. So this is not ready at all. 80 USD is just fucking bullshit. It's horrible. But if we do go back under this area after that, I mean, we got super clean traffic here to the left on the daily time frame. Weekly is a mess, so I'm not touching it. AUDCHF weekly is bearish. Very nice, very nice. Daily is bearish, but now we got a strong pullback. So this would be, previous structure was broken, retesting it, but looked like we're gonna close above. We probably destroyed the golden zone. Let's see. Yeah, and we're destroying the safety net also. So yeah, weekly here. Oh, here we go. So weekly previous structure that was broken. We might have this retest here. Let me delete this. So actually, I'm gonna mark this down here. Retesting previous structure. Weekly. I should say weekly. Retesting previous weekly structure. Perfect. Daily is bearish also, and look like we might have that retest. Okay. Okay, but it's not even close to be ready, but it's still, not as bad as AED USD, so let's put it somewhere around there. All right, cool. All right, let's go back to GJ. Let's see. It's 8:45-ish. Let's go take a look at the 30-minute. How's it go? We're still above this area here. So yeah, let's go see here. Mm. And as well, we just did gold a couple minutes ago. So if you rewind the stream, you'll see it. Maybe like what 10 minutes ish ago, probably around there. But yeah, we just did it. Is an area of interest enough if it's only golden zone, but not no. So a golden zone is a golden zone. An area of interest is an area in time that had many rejection. Yeah. Hello, Sasha. General question. After analysis, confirm a good opportunity to enter a trade. How do you design your exit? In other words, how to set your TP target profit? Joe, that's a good question. So when you do your analysis, let's say, well, there's two types. There's two things. If you scalp or you swing. Okay, if I swing, I will usually take profit around my daily structure. If I took my trade based on the daily area of interest, I'm gonna take profit at the daily structure, the next daily structure point. Meaning, let me show you an example. Let's say, let's grab let's say entity CAD weekly here. Where do we have it daily? Hold on, wait a second, let me try. Okay, cool, perfect. So this is a good example. So let's say I'm taking the trade from the area of interest, but I'm not taking the trade at the area of interest because I need the trade to switch time frame, to switch structure. So let's say I take my trade based of this daily area of interest, which is not a strong daily area. Yeah, it's not so bad. Yeah, it's actually good. So if I take this trade around this daily area of interest, my TP is going to be probably around here, right here, this next daily structure point. Hopefully that makes sense. And if I'm scalping, let's say here, if I'm scalping, it depends. I'm usually going to go for a 2-to-1, 1-to-1. I'm not going to go very crazy, or I'm gonna target the next H4 structure. Yeah. Or it depends. If you're scalping on 5 minute, you can target the next, let's say the next 30-minute structure point. So that's how I do it personally. Like if you see a place that it's an area of rejection, I mean, you need to get out. You know, you need to get out. You need to, before the important thing is before entering your trade, you should know when to exit. It's not once you're in the trade, like, all right, cool. Where am I going to exit now? I'm in the trade. No, 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 no. You should have a clear plan of what you're doing. Okay, so that's really, really important. Really important. So let's say I buy from here. You know, my exit's gonna be probably right here. You know, hopefully that makes sense. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, so now let's go back to GJ. GJ, we said, let's see here. 4 hour. 4 hours about to close now. So 4 hours about to close in 12 minutes. In 12 minutes, 4 hours gonna close, and right now it looks like it's gonna close doji. What does that mean? That means there's a rejection sign, there's indecision, you know, especially with a huge wick like this. We rejected previous support. So yeah, and what is the odd that this is boom closing back inside that golden zone? Oh shit, what's up? So now you want to look at your H1. H1 is still bearish. 30-minute is right now bearish. So yeah. So right now for me, there's nothing I can do except one thing. The 4 hour candle dogtail setup. But if it closed doji, that is very sketchy. I rarely take it based on the H4, based on a doji. But if you look at gold though, gold, it's been working well also, but around this area, the price that they at right now, it can be sketchy. But usually I wait, let's say this candle close like this. Okay, well, let's say close nicer than this, because this is not nice at all. But let's say close like, let's say that this is our H4. Why it's snappy like this? Did I activated this? Wait, weak magnet. I don't. Oh fuck! No, no, no. Why is it? What? What? Whoa, 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 whoa! What's going on here? What? Okay, here we go. Whatever. Okay, so whatever. I'm trying to do a candle here. So this is a fat candle, and this is the wick here. Okay, this is a fat candle. Um, what's going on here? All right, cool. So I'm gonna wait for the next 4 hour candle to form the wick down, and once we're gonna break the high here, this is where I'm gonna be entering. So basically, I'm gonna place. Let's say that the wick went from there to there. Let's say I'm gonna place my buy here, place stop under, and you go. Let's go. But probably gonna be exit way before that, you know. But that's gonna be my ultimate TP, especially if I'm scalping gold. I'm gonna be in and out very, very quick. So this is the dovetail setup on H4. Usually works super well on GJ and gold, but it all depends on how close. I usually try to go with the trend too, but sometimes I will go a counter trend trade since it's gonna be a 1-to-1 or 1.5-to-1. It's very, very, very quick. Um, Thanks, Sasha. You're welcome, Joanne. Welcome, welcome. That was a good question. Oh yeah, Ferb, are you still there? So Ferb, if you're still there, I'm gonna go over some crypto very quickly if you want. I don't know if he's still there. Let's take a look at Solana very quickly. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, that looks good. Yep, 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 yep. Yeah, I need to buy some more today. What about our friend BTC? How you doing, BTC? Man, 28,000. We were so close from that tattoo, man. Damn, so close. Whatever. Let's go back to GJ. Okay. So I think that we got everything we need. I think we got everything we need. Unfortunately, no trade was taken today during the live session, but you guys all know what to look for. You know, my DM's always open also to answer questions, so feel free to drop question in my DMs on Instagram. Make sure you follow the right Sasha, please. I will never ask you for money. Don't worry, I'm good. So yeah, make sure you follow the right one, and the link is in the description of this video. Um, and yeah, so once again, thank you for being here this morning. I'm gonna be live again on Thursday night. So Thursday night, actually, wait a second, Thursday night. Yes, Thursday night. So Thursday night, we're gonna have Forex Talk Over Beer from 6 p.m. Eastern, probably for 30 minute. Go from breakdown of trade that was taken, and yeah, so that's about it. So thank you so much again, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Wishing you an amazing day. And again, if you have any question, drop a DM. Take care, guys. Have an amazing day. Ciao. Peace out.